If you're watching this video, it means that you're trying to put into practice the good old dream of buying a product and then selling it for a marked up price by doing some right marketing and finding the right people to sell. Oh yeah, that's basically dropshipping. And yes, I've tried that before, but back then I failed, and you know why? Because I was using all sorts of wrong tools and software, pretty much the same thing you're doing right now, and that's why you're watching this video. You are looking to make your dropshipping dream work. As a YouTuber, video editor and creator, I know how hard it is to generate money online from absolute scratch. Now dropshipping, it's double as hard. That's when you use the wrong set of tools. Some time ago, I was just like you, looking for AI store builders because that is what I thought was wrong, my store. And having a good store would definitely bring me sales. At least that's what I was thinking back then. But then I paid someone from Fiverr some decent dollars and he built a cool store. At least I was happy with it and I knew my store was decent. That is when the real problems started to emerge. Apart from having some sales, I was facing issues fulfilling them. I'm talking about long shipping times, bad products, like really bad products that seemed like they went through a hurricane or something, and finally, unhappy customers. Now, long story short, I started to look for a decent supplier, and after weeks of research, I found Doba. Now, Doba is an American business-to-business dropshipping platform that was founded back in 2002. Yeah, way before most of us even knew what dropshipping was. It's built to help businessmen like us sell products without dealing with the boring stuff like inventory, warehousing, packaging, or shipping. All of that is handled by the suppliers, who ship directly to your customers. You, the seller, get focused on branding, marketing, and making those sweet sales without touching a single cardboard yourself. And let me tell you, Doba is absolutely lit. Over 1 million products are available on the platform, from electronics and beauty products to pet suppliers and outdoor gear. So it's basically all there. Products that range from stone massagers to vacuum robots that cost hundreds but still allow you to build a legitimate brand and something that absolutely lasts. The best part? Many of the suppliers have warehouses in the US, which means products ship quickly, often between 2 to 5 days. Now that's crucial, because let's be real, customers are not waiting 3 weeks for their espresso macchiato to arrive. If it says that I need to wait more than a couple of days, I probably wouldn't even order because I would forget by then. So you simply click on the Get Started button and you can see that it's already built for dropshippers, retailers, and businessmen of all kinds. You can buy products directly from the source and have them shipped straight to your customer. There's no need to beg your mom to help you stuff orders. I mean, she loves you, but it won't be long before you see her getting tired. And you don't want that for your mama. At the very top of the page, you will see integrations. And at first I started wondering, what is that? Only to open it and see that Doba can get integrated into all of the major platforms you can think of. You don't need to buy in bulk either. Doba doesn't require a minimum order quantity, so you can literally test products one at a time. No bulk, no stress. And if you're worried about the quality of suppliers, don't be. Doba has a strict auditing system. Suppliers go through a series of screening process before joining the platform. That means you're working with trusted pros, not just some random factories from a mystery forum. Taking a look at the TikTok shop selections in here, you can almost feel from the photos how trustworthy and genuine this product feels. And if your future customers feel that from the pictures alone, then they will surely buy. Plus, saying that the item will arrive in 2 days is a huge deal again. I mean, sometimes people are just curious to have a certain product in their hands and nobody can wait 2 weeks for that. Plus, Doba's refund and return policies are super customer friendly. If your customers receive a damaged or broken item, Doba provides a prepaid return label within 3 business days. Or if they send in proof of the damage, Doba will refund them directly. Now, here's what really caught my attention about Doba. Doba is trying to change the game. No warehouses, no rent, no massive upfront costs, no stockpiling products in your garage. Instead, it's all about creating a simple system that connects you directly to reliable suppliers and gets products into your customer hands quickly. It's a model that just makes sense in today's world. It's fast, it's scalable, and it's tailor-made for modern e-commerce. It's pretty much what most of the YouTubers out there like Jordan or Enric make it look. You make good research and trust the product, and then Doba does the rest. Sometimes it feels kind of illegal to know some info and have this sort of advantage over your competitors, but in the same time makes me wonder where I would be today if I've discovered Doba sooner. And the cool thing is, Doba isn't one of those old-fashioned platforms that just sits around looking vintage. They're constantly improving, rolling out new integrations, updating features, and making everything more user-friendly, so even when you're not tech savvy, you feel right at home. And if you're stuck on what to sell, just hop over to their top sellers or high profit section to see what is trending. It happens that I see a product here, and only after a couple of days or weeks I see some guy selling it and making some profit. And then a few weeks after that I see him or her bring it as an example on his $49.99 course that is trying to teach you how to do dropshipping. So don't buy the course. If you have tried dropshipping in the past and things didn't work out, I feel you. I've been there, burned a bunch of money, spent nights wondering why nothing was selling, and it's honestly frustrating. But looking back, I realize now that a lot of my issues came from using the wrong tools or trying to do everything myself. If I had found Doba earlier, I probably could have saved myself 3 failed stores and enough money to pay for a small wedding. That's why I'm sharing this one with you, because this time around I'm doing it differently, with better tools, more knowledge, and a platform that actually has my back. I've dropped a link somewhere in the description that will take you straight to the site so you can explore it yourself. Whether you're into beauty products, gadgets, home, pet accessories, or something super nice, Doba has the inventory and the supplier network to help you get started. And the best part, you can test things out yourself without committing to a massive inventory. You only order what you need, when you need it, no risks, no stress. And if you're curious about how I'm using Doba to build a fresh new store from scratch, make sure to stick around, so I will be documenting the whole process, from product research and branding to using TikTok or maybe ads to sell my products. So a little bit earlier I also mentioned that I had already tested 3 different products with dropshipping, and if you'd be curious to see some numbers and how I pick the products, then make sure to check out this video in here.